Hello, my name is Ian. I am the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you how to print a Google Sheets spreadsheet from the Google Sheets app for iOS. If this video helps you, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. This is Google Sheets on my iPhone, and you can see I have a whole bunch of files. I want to print the spreadsheet that's in the top right corner, landmark estimate roof, and there's two ways to do it. First thing you can do, tap the three dots icon that's right next to the name, and then scroll down until you see print. Select that. It will prepare it to print. The printer has to be on the same network that you're using to view the Sheets spreadsheet. So this brother printer is on the network, so I'm going to select that one. The presets are very limited. There's not many options actually to change the printing range or anything like that, other than the number of pages itself. So for instance, if I tap presets, these are the only settings that are available to me. It's not really that much, but if you're in a hurry or you just need to get it out there to print it, this may be the only option available to you. Choose double-sided, paper setting, etc. And you can just do it. There's a very small preview in the bottom of the screen. Once you're ready to go, tap print, and it will start to print it. So I'm going to cancel that out because I want to show you one other way to do the same thing, and that is to actually open the Google Sheets file. And so this estimate's popping up here. Top right corner, three dots icon, more actions, tap that, and then share and export, and then print. And basically, you'll get the same options again, and then you can print it out on a local network printer. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. My name is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Thank you so much for watching.